Industrial curing ovens. Assembly, types, and applications. This video takes an in-depth look at curing ovens and their uses. You will learn more about topics such as curing ovens and how they work, how curing ovens are made, types of industrial curing ovens, applications of curing ovens, benefits of curing ovens, considerations and maintenance of curing ovens, and much more. Chapter 1. Understanding the functionality of curing ovens. Defining a curing oven. Functionality of heat treating ovens. Role of catalyzing agents. Fundamentals of hot air circulation. The operation of a curing oven hinges on two core principles. Key heat sources. Electric heat treating ovens. Direct gas heat treating ovens. Indirect gas heat treating ovens. Hot water heat treating ovens. Oil-fired heat treating ovens. Airflow patterns and efficiency. Vertical/horizontal flow. Full horizontal flow. Vertical flow. Chapter 2. How curing ovens are made. A well-designed curing oven typically includes the following 5 primary components. The oven enclosure. Electrical components. Supply of fuel and ancillary systems. Explosion relief systems. Mechanical components. Heat recovery systems. Thermal components. Instrumentation and control devices. Electronics and automation systems. The heater unit. Construction and structure components. The air supply system. Air recirculation system. the exhaust air system. Chapter 3. What are the different types of industrial curing ovens? Batch process ovens. Continuous process ovens. Comparison between the batch and continuous process ovens. Frequently asked questions. What is a curing oven and how does it work? What are the main types of industrial curing ovens? How do catalysts such as isocyanates enhance the curing process? Which heat sources are used in curing ovens? What components are critical in the design of a high-performance industrial curing oven? How does airflow pattern affect curing oven efficiency? Chapter 4. What are the applications of curing ovens? Curing ovens serve a variety of purposes, including but not limited to curing adhesives, curing paints and coatings, the techniques used in these curing processes include convection technique for curing, infrared IR technique, ultraviolet UV light technique, curing polymers, drying products, preheating material for coating, finishing products, Chapter 5. What are the benefits of using curing ovens? The benefits of using curing ovens include small and portable. Multi-purpose applications. Oven economic impact. Accessible and available. Chapter 6. What should be considered when using a curing oven and how should it be maintained? Considerations when selecting curing ovens. When choosing a curing oven, several factors should be taken into account. Applications for curing ovens. Curing oven price. Electrical capabilities. One should ask themselves the following questions. Factory acceptance testing. After-sales service. Curing oven maintenance. Flame failure detector checks on the burner. Checks on the burner. Burner air filter. Burner motor and blower impeller. Fan lubrication. Fallen parts. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right curing oven manufacturers for your needs.